I'm here with Kago, one of Obinagu with Chief Kenna. So Chief Kenna, nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
So today you guys have a wonderful program, and I want you to communicate to us, what the program is all about.
Yes. Thank you for the privilege. Do you want me to speak in Igbo?
Yeah, Igbo or English, yeah.
Okay. Well, let me speak in English so that a lot of people
can understand. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, pleasure to be here, to have the privilege to give one or two words about Nzuko Umunna. I'm the chairman of the Onyendu, as we call it, of Nzuko Umunna. Nzuko Umunna is a Pan-Igbo association, in the diaspora. We're a new group that seek to foster Igbo traditional cultural renaissance or rebirth. We use the Umunna Igbo, as our unwritten constitution. We want to promote Igbo language, Igbo religion, Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, customary values, economic philosophy, and everything that about Igbo-ness that is great. Because we've come from a very distant land and from a very far place, and we have a language that is currently in decline, and we also have a tradition that we've inherited, from our forebears, that we need to propagate in this new land. And so today is our end of year party. A day in which we showcase some of the things that we do and celebrate with guests and visitors, and put on display various types of Igbo culture, tradition, and norms for which we want to expound in this association.
So I heard you guys talk about charity.
Yes.
So what is the charity all about?
Charity is an initiative that we came up with to help the have-nots back home in Nigeria, because we recognize that there are children that are born in motherless babies' homes. There are people that are disadvantaged, and there is a lot of hunger and poverty amongst some people, some sections of our community back home. So the idea is to raise money here to buy Christmas presents, to buy food, to buy medicine, and to help people at home who are ordinarily disadvantaged, And it also goes beyond that, We intend in future to contribute to funding education, providing computers, and various initiatives that is geared towards improving the lives of Igbos back home.
Well, Chief, you highly amaze me. Okay, and you guys are launching book 2 today.
Yes.
So what is the book all about too? Just quick one.
Well, we have our regular monthly meetings, in which we seek to enlighten, to educate, and to create awareness about Igbo culture, tradition, customs, hardcore Igbo culture, norms, and so on and so forth. And whenever we hold our meetings, people, elites that are informed, research various topics, and deliver fantastic, informative write-ups on various aspects of Igbo culture and tradition. All of that we gazette into a chronicle that is called Nzuko Umunna Digest. It is our way of creating awareness, updating, and educating and enlightening the people here in the diaspora about different aspects of our culture and tradition. And today we're launching the maiden session, or the way
I'm here with Mazi Ben Ahamefle, and today Mazi Ben Ahamefle will tell us his take on today's program, how you feel. So welcome, Mr. Ben.
Thank you.
Yeah. So can you tell you how you feel today's program?
Cha. This today is a lovely day for us. It's a very happy day. It's a day we've been hoping for to catch up, have fun with family and kids.
Yeah.
And we've done it, and it's nice, and we'd love to do it again.
Okay.
And the reason why we're doing this, we are Umunna.
Yeah.
And this mission is designed based on culture. We want our kids to learn and educate in terms of our culture.
Yeah.
And then we've got to do this. So that's what we're doing this today.
Okay. So what do you think about the future of this program or the organization?
Wow, believe me, we have enough expectations. We plan a lot in the future. I'm not going to say it now, but it's going to happen. We have a lot planned.
I can see you are happy tonight, and thank you for having you, and I hope to see you next year probably.
Umunna Wike.
Thank you. So you're welcome. So what?
Umunna is the gathering of kinship. The essence of our gathering is to come together as an Igbo community group and have fun with our friends and extended friends. We were not expecting any miracle. We knew we were going to have fun. I think so far things has gone smoothly. We also have learned a lot from today, and we know that the next time it will be far well. We do some readjustment and evaluation of what happens today. Of course, it will get better and bigger, and we continue to foster that family friendship, the reason is Umunna form is to foster we can work together and have fun as we are going. And so far today has been a special day for us and a huge success. Thank you.
Anyway, thank you for today, and guys, we are here from Kem, and how you say that the program is all about fostering friendship and thinking of how to progress more, right? So thank you for having you today. Do you have one more message for Igbos and the upcoming youth,
I think the advice for everybody is we all have dreams. We all have to chase our dreams. Whatever that dream is, we need to chase our dreams. Most of us came here because we have dreams. to go out, study, and become somebody. And then we hope our children and the new ones will continue on the same phase, is chasing your dream. The dream don't come to you. You have to chase your dream to make it a reality. I think for every youth, to everyone growing, that, you know, if you, the saying is that if you have a song that is all in your head, it doesn't make sense. Then when you sing it out, people will hear it, people will evaluate it, people will, you know, it can become the hit. So it's your dream. You need to chase your dream to make it a reality, whatever it is. And that's the essence of my advert to young people. Yeah, is to chase their dream, whatever it is.
Okay, thank you very much, man.
A chronicle of our stories. And before we start in the launching phase, I need to say a little bit about this collection of stories. These stories, please let us
Okay guys, I'm here with Mrs. Ndidi Fashomo. She will tell us what she thinks about today's program. So, yeah.
Today's program is very fantastic, and I'm happy for the association because it's unique, you know, and it's a success for them at least, you know, and well organized.
Yeah.
The most important thing I like about the association is the charity organization they are doing, which is very good. And I pray God will help you guys, you know, to keep it up, you know, keep helping each other and make sure there is peace among people. Congrats.
Thank you very much. So you enjoy yourself tonight? Or?
Yeah, it was good. I really enjoyed myself. There was a lot of food, drinks, everything is perfect.
Okay, thanks for having us, eh? Thanks for coming in time.
Yeah.
Akunuro. So in today's program, he was one of our guest honor. Also, he tells us about Igbo's culture. We would like to hear more about, you know, how he feels on today's program. So, Chief Akunuro, what do you think about today's program?
Today has really been a great success. What we did today is Nzuko, Umunna, Australia, meaning the meeting of, you know, brothers in Australia. And today we try to showcase what Igbo people are made of, you know, what Igbos are known for, and where the Igbos came from. we showed different peculiarities and characteristics of Igbo people. We invited people from all walks of life, people from different ethnic backgrounds, people all over the world. As you can see, the event has been a great success. It's really a pinnacle for learning for people that want to understand more about Igbo and what we Igbos stand for. So that is the purpose of today.
So you guys produce some of the cultural, dance and book. So I just wonder what you guys think about the book and what is the book all about, if you can tell us.
Now, the essence of the book is to really, have in writing some of the things that make up Igbo. Because Igbos believe in oral tradition, where the stories are told from grandfathers to fathers to our forefathers. But writing that book, if you go through the book, you will see where Igbos came from, Igbo cosmology, Igbo spirituality, Igbo traditions, beliefs and practices. So that's what we did, so that our children, when they grow up, as they are growing up, they will read the book and understand who they are.
Thank you. So what do you think about this organization, maybe next year or year coming? How will you see the organization going forward?
This is the first outing, it's the inaugural outing or end of year party for the Nzuko Umunna. You can see what really went on there, what transpired. It was a great success, not minding that it is the inaugural outing. Subsequently, in years to come, we will do our charity and make sure that the charity organization that we formed, will equally touch lives of less privileged people in Igbo land.
Yeah.
So we are looking forward to really taking some feedback from people and fortifying that and putting it into the process so that we get something better than today.
So what are you wishing those that come today? Like you say, a lot of people from different ethnic groups, race, they came today to see, Igbo culture and display. So what do you think is their taking today?
Now, I believe that they must have learned one or two things about Igbo. Even if they've not learned anything, they have learned that our name is Igbo, I-G-B-O, not I-B-O. We wish them well, like they came here safely. We pray that God, Chukwu Abiyama, Chukwu the great God, Chineke, the God that creates, will lead them back to their various homes safely, and they will begin to do more research about Igbo so that they will know where our people came from.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chief Akoloro.
Yeah.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, I really thank you.
Yeah. So what do you think about today's program?
Today's program is amazing.
Yep.
It is a essence of Igbo progress and ideology.
Okay.
And we are here to support, and not only support, to trigger the rock base of Igbos and sell the Igbos to diaspora, to our kids that are born in diaspora, to our friends and well-wishers. Because the Igbo ideology has been forgotten.
Yeah.
It needs people to know that ideology, and that's what we are doing.
Okay, so what do you think how do you see the organization in years' time?
Oh, you could see what is happening here. This organization is barely a year old, and you could see we have thousands of people here. And people are yet here on the hall, struggling, enjoying, struggling with their families to give them time to be still with us here at this point in time.
Okay, you guys have an organization, a charity organization you guys launched?
Yes.
So can you tell us more about the charity organization?
Our charity organization is on Umunna. That means whoever hears the cry of his brother or sister should not deter. Our job is to help raise anything from our organization to support the less privileged of our young brothers from the southeast region who are struggling, who are living.
I can see you are very happy tonight. And what other message do you have to give? Maybe
it is an association you need to identify with. Okay. It is an association that have a common goal, and it is also an association where love abounds. That is the message Nzuko Umunna sends to everyone. And that's all.
Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm here with Dr. Azonyenka. So, can you say for here in Wako today?
Masina Maka. I don't know them. No call with Ikuni Ibe. For a long time. Because successful day.
Yeah.
In which we were able to begin the journey of our cultural renaissance in the diaspora, our efforts to entrench Igbo tradition, norms, and ethics and customary value amongst the new generation of Australians, of Igbo Australians that live in diaspora. We want to be able to educate, to inform people about the virtues of Igbo customs and tradition. And I think that today was a milestone in achieving that, because through the series of events and programs that were unfolded today, we're able to begin to give a narrative to the world that Igbos have a custom and a tradition that is worthy of emulation and worthy of revitalization. And so I can say that tonight was a success because we have made a big statement concerning that today.
Thank you very much. It's nice for you for having us. And I give you a big applause for organizing such a program and your executive and everyone involved. I give you guys a big applause. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.